Crypto billionaire 69 back with another daily in-depth technical analysis video on DOGELON MARS. My friends, I apologize for not updating you guys recently. Ooh, that's a nice little spike right there. I have been extremely busy in my personal life. I don't know if you guys know this, you definitely don't know this, but I run 3 YouTube channels on the side, along with an Instagram and a TikTok. So it's just been crazy these past couple days. So, aside from all that business stuff, look at this bullish action we are seeing. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Those of you that are in the Patreon got confirmation right around this area, right around the 12s to start averaging in. And my goodness gracious, you guys are in good hefty profits right now. Probably a good 10% profit right now. So, congratulations, my friends. This is how we make money. If you guys are interested in joining the Patreon, check it out. Links in the description. Daily buy and sell alerts and updates on the overall market whenever it's good times to invest and what to be thinking about as we are entering this next bull run. I will be updating you guys on the best places to start taking profits and then the best places to start averaging back in as it drops, so you can maximize your potential profits and mitigate your risks. Alright, my friends. Look at this Fibonacci level support. We got it all the way down to the 0.618 level. Showed strong support there. Exactly what we want to see. Now, this is what we want to see moving forward in order for you guys to start averaging more bags in. If you have not been averaging already, then this is what you need to look out for in the future. Alright, my friends. Let's go down to some lower time frames. Let's do this. So, if you guys have been following the channel for a while, first time you would have averaged in is here. Second time you would have averaged in here. Third time here. And you would have been averaging in the whole time on the way down here. So, this is what we need to look out for in order to see a continuation to the upside. In order to see confirmation to add more bags. My friends, let's get right into this in-depth technical analysis. I'm going to pull out the rectangle. Alright, this is exactly... Okay, remember, I told you guys, it faked out, the fake out, that was right here, and this was our next level of support around this 1430 level. If you check the last video, I believe it was the last video, the video before that, that is exactly what I said. Now, we're going to have some selling pressure in this area, but it won't be anything too major. We saw most of the selling pressure right on this candle, right here. As we marked in the last video. So, what we need to see looking forward is this next candle will probably be a red candle. But what we want to see is it bouncing off of this 1389 level, creating support, making this resistance a new floor, and then moving higher. Alright? So, in the next 4 hours, that's what we want to see. Is this next candle coming down to this 1389, 1387 level, creating a new support line, and then moving up. Now, if it has volume, that is confirmation that we are heading up, alright? That we are heading to this next resistance level. Now, on to the downside, what we need to look for is it to completely just break this 1380 level. And after that, let's go into some even smaller time frames so we can get some more price action going on. We need to look out for these levels here. This 1279 level. Now, if it drops this low, my goodness gracious me. I'm adding more bags. Don't know about you, but look at this major volume coming in. This right here is exactly what we wanted to see. I called this out in the last video. This is called a confirmation candle, where it comes over and engulfs all the previous resistance and volume. This is really nice, guys. If you're in the Patreon, you would have seen this. Now, currently, we are hodling. A lot of the ladies and gentle peeps that have been following this channel are in very good positions right now. And we are simply waiting for this thing to take off. And once it does, and we start seeing those 100, 200, 300% gains, that's when you guys really want to tune in to see when the best times to take profits are. Right now, we are in accumulation phase. And ripping the rocket phase is coming real soon. And sometimes the fuel runs out of the rocket and you got to refuel her up. Now, our job is to get out before it dumps And then as it's dumping, average back in, whether that be in this coin or another potential 100x altcoin. This is not a potential 100x. I'm looking for a good 10x on this, all right? So my trading plan, if you guys want to follow along, it's not financial advice. It's simple opinions from a crypto billionaire. But what I will be doing and what is proven to work in these markets, because I've done it before with Shiba Inu and many others, is average in at the bottom, scale out at the top, average back in at the bottom, and then HODL until it moves higher, scale out at the top. It's just rinse and repeat. Once you get the technical analysis down, ladies and gentle peeps, this becomes so easy. It's just second nature. And my friends, the pre-sale I have a pre-sale on the course going on right now. So email me at mycryptomoves@gmail.com if you want to learn how to take this stuff seriously and actually start making real money in these markets independently. There are limited spots, so text me while you can. So that's what we need to look out for in order to the upside, the downside. Upside, let's just recap. I'll make it super duper simple for all of you newbies that are in here. All of you experts, you guys should be looking at these charts and really seeing what's going on. Now, I haven't even gotten into the RSIs and the indicators, the MACD, the Bollinger Bands. I haven't gotten into any of that yet because I'm saving that for this course. I want to see how you guys react. And if you guys like that sort of stuff, then I'll bring it into the YouTube videos. This is what we need to look out for in order for you, beautiful people, to start, and me, to start averaging more in. All right. We want to watch this area here. I'll draw some levels out for you guys. We want to watch this 1564 level to this 15 level. All right. Now, if it breaks through this 15 level with volume, that is extremely bullish that we are going to be heading to these 18s. All right. So what we want to see here is a nice green candle moving higher on this next 3 hours or 4 hours, moving higher, testing this 15 level. Now, it probably won't break, but if in 6 hours it breaks this 15 level and we close within that on the next candle, we close within the 15 level to the 1563 range, then that is bullish right there. That is bullish. Now, if it starts to show selling pressure and move back down to this 1395 level, that's completely normal as well. But for now, we just need to wait for confirmation. Like I said, I am very busy, so if you really do want in-depth confirmations, I have notifications on my phone on all of these levels. You guys don't even have to worry about it. Go check out that Patreon. There's 7 or 6 spots left, so there's 7 spots left. So go get them while you can. To the downside, this is what we need to look out for. So we have seen an inverse hammer here, okay? This is indicating selling pressure in this area to the left, all right? You can see right here, all right? That's where the selling is with the volume. You see this volume? That indicates strong selling pressure. So what we want to see to the downside in order for this to continue looking bullish is this next candle to come down to this 1359 level and show strong buying pressure moving higher, all right? Preferably, we would want this next candle to end in a somewhat doji candle, but it did a doji candle that dropped down to this 1350 level and then showed strong buying pressure to push it higher. That's what we want to see to the upside. Now, to the downside, if it breaks through this 1350 level, then we will be heading down to these 1285s, and that is perfectly fine, guys. The markets are just now starting to reverse. All the weak hands are averaging out because extreme fear has entered the markets. If you guys go check the comment section, I really want you guys to do a little experiment. Check the comment section in the last few videos. You will see all the fear, uncertainty, and doubt that is being spread right now because the markets are in a 10% dip. It is hilarious to me. If you go 2 weeks back, while we were spiking here, everyone was hyped up. And that's the thing here. We don't trade on emotions. We simply trade on price action. And that is how you will make the most amount of money in these markets, my friends. So, HODL strong. We are creating strong support along the Fibonacci lines. Everything is lining up perfectly. And right now is a golden opportunity to start averaging in if you have not already. If you have already averaged in, even if you bought in at the top, HODL, 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 because we are going 300, 400% from here until the next 30% correction, all right? And when that 30% correction happens, we will be out of this coin, waiting to get that dip, to eat that dip up. Dip it in some milk with some double stuffed Oreos, because it is Christmas time and we're putting them out for Santa. That's how excited we're going to be to get in on this next dip after it spikes up. Crypto Billionaire 69. If you like these in-depth daily technical analysis videos, hit that freaking subscribe button, because I post every single day and you do not want to miss out on the next upcoming price action. Have a beautiful, wonderful day, my friends. Peace. Merry Christmas. Almost.